Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Vancouver, local, and long-distance movers near me. Moving to a new place is an important step in life. Choosing the wrong company can make this step a complete nightmare. If you choose 3 movers, you will be guaranteed to receive a professional service at a competitive price. We offer local and long-distance moving services in the Vancouver, Canada area. When our qualified crew of movers arrives, you will be certain you have made the right choice. Moving locally might not seem like a huge deal. Many people think that with a couple of friends and a truck, the job can be done in a few hours. While friends and family can certainly help you move, it could take a lot of time and energy to get it done. Don't go through that. 3 movers will help you plan and get your moving going so you don't have to stress about it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vancouver moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.